This video is real simple. I just want to encourage you to truly write down all your goals that you have. Get a word from the Lord and write it down. Don't filter it through excuses. Don't filter it through limiting beliefs. Just write it down. As I said a moment ago, that if you write down your goals, studies show that you are 24 times more likely to accomplish those goals. Because again, the law of familiarity says that you drift towards that which you are familiar with. I also want to encourage you in the area of proper content consumption. Proper content consumption. Stop listening to trash. We got to stop reading and looking at things that we know we don't need to look at. Because again, we drift towards that which we are familiar with. So if you're not truly meditating on what Paul said to meditate on in the book of Philippians chapter 4, then we're going to be constantly making these subconscious decisions, drifting towards trash, towards stuff that doesn't have anything to do with our purpose. Or it could be good things, but maybe it's not God things, right? Psalm chapter 119, verse 37, I prayed it this morning. Lord, turn away my eyes from worthless, vain, empty things and revive me in your ways. That ought to be a prayer for every leader somewhere along the way. Lord, turn away my eyes from these worthless things that don't fuel my purpose according to your will for my life, and revive me in your ways. So we need to meditate on things that are pure, that are holy, that are praiseworthy, that are noble, that are good, and stop thinking about these other things, because I want you to think about your conscious, your subconscious. Conscious is like the captain. The subconscious is like the crew. And even when the captain isn't working, the crew is still at work, right? So that's why you have to fuel your mind with good things, biblical matters, so you don't drift towards that which you don't want to drift toward at the end of the day. Okay, so proper content consumption matters. Write down your goals, write down all your dreams, list them out. Then I'm going to show you in these next few moments together on what to do with those.